Testing.
Yo guys, we just dropped new album called Grizzly. If you wanna support me, buy this beautiful mask and listen to this new album. And I'm gonna make one take vocal for a track called Banditos. Also, I'm gonna use this beautiful microphone from Soyuz company, which is a Russian company, and they made this special edition microphone with this beautiful mask. I'm living my fucking best life, living my dream, to be honest.
And the step to the test and the step and pure.